Are you struggling to spot your mouse cursor on Windows 10 or 11? You're not alone. Sometimes that little arrow just loves to play hide and seek, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make it bigger, so it's impossible to miss. Let's start by opening your settings. You can click the Start menu and select Settings, or if you want to save a few seconds, just press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. Once you're in, head over to the Accessibility section. This is where Windows keeps all the features designed to make your experience easier and more comfortable. You'll find it right there on the left side of the screen. Now, look for an option called Mouse Pointer and Touch under the Vision category. Click on that, and you'll see a slider that lets you adjust the size of your mouse pointer. Move it to the right to make it bigger, or to the left to make it smaller. You'll see the changes instantly, so just keep sliding until it's the perfect size for you. This is a game changer if you're making tutorial videos, giving presentations, or just want your cursor to be more noticeable on screen. While you're here, you can also have some fun with customization. Switch the pointer color from the classic white to black, or choose a bold custom color so it really pops against your background. And that's it. You've made your mouse cursor easier to see and a lot more stylish. Thanks for tuning in. If this quick tip helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more smart tech solutions that make your digital life easier.